Hey all, welcome to another week of the weekly analysis. Go over the master candles and we also have a look at the daily analysis for the whole week to just gone and what's to come. We're going to touch on the master candles first. This is a GU 1 hour chart, and there was no master candles this week on GU. Now please note that we don't take master candles right at the end of the week, so this wouldn't have been an entry, as that's when market closed. GJ, we had a pretty bad week with master candles. Same again on the right hand side here. We don't take this trade because it's right at the end of the week, but we do have two trades that stopped out for 50 pips each. So it's just minus 100 pips this week from the master candle, which isn't the best, but it's how things go. Just to note that you should have approached this one with a little bit extra caution, as it was basically coming to the last swing point, or one of the last swing points of a push up to make a new high. So you would approach that if not taken it at all. But as per the rules, to keep it all straight and narrow, we will count it as a loss. That's it for master candles. We'll move right along. Let's start off with the EU daily chart, and we'll start to see a bit of a bounce here off this zone right here. It was quite a nice area to along. Had our first touch last week, which would have been the best entry, but it looks like price is going to continue up. So we look for price to push through this area, retrace to it, and then take the long off this 143 area. That should pose quite a nice trade when it comes. So keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on the 145.80 area, 145.50 zone, which will be the next support. Next resistance. Let's have a look at GU. GU is broken through the 164.50 area and is approaching the 165 area. We need to wait for price to break through that, but between 165 and 167 there isn't that much on the technical side that will stop it. So keep an eye on this top zone. We could see a double top before we have a further push down, or price could push through. Remember to look for the retrace off the 165 for a further push higher as well. So I'll just show you that around the 165 zone. Level that off, and we're looking for the push up, just like before. Push down, and then the push through. Alright, so nice and simple. And just keep an eye on this 167.50 zone for a double top as well. AU has been flirting around this bottom area, 1050 mark, and this 104.30 support and resistance area. Need to just see how this pans out, because we are starting to step down. If we can't make a new high here, we probably see a further move into the lows, or pushing lower I should say. But yeah, so just keep a close eye on the AU and see how that one goes. It's pretty hard to call which way this will be pushing, because we do have no new highs and new swing lows. So yeah, it's quite hard to say it will push higher. Remember the retraces if there does become one. GJ has pushed up this week, but remained pretty much flat, about a 150 to 200 pip range for the entire week. Not that much movement. These two candles here look like our push higher is going to continue, but we'll have to wait and see. We've also not made a new low in most of these candles, so yeah, these last two not resistance, decision candles should allow for a further push higher. I hope you all had a fantastic week of trading, and if you have any questions about anything I've just said, please ask me on the forum or send me an email. I'll talk to you later.